A healthy lifestyle and a body have become a necessity to keep up with the pace of the ever-changing world that can often lead to unhealthy mental and physical health. Gymming is the first thing that comes to mind, while planning for a healthy body and meditation is often overlooked. As unending streams of information become more and more a part of modern life and constant stimulation becomes the norm, we need the ability to unplug and take a mental breather. Meditation is one method for accomplishing this. Hello and welcome back to another informative video by the Education Magazine. In this video, we will provide 7 steps for meditation if you are a beginner. You don't need much to begin meditating. As long as you set aside some time during your day and are eager to learn, you'll be well on your way to developing your own distinct practice. Choose a time. Many individuals prefer to meditate first thing in the morning, but if another time of day works better for you, do so. It is critical to recognize that consistency is essential. Meditation may be done after the end of any sort of exercises, such as gymming or yoga. The first practice does not have to be long. 10 or 15 minutes is a decent starting point. You'll need a timer that will alert you when your meditation session is over so you don't have to keep checking the clock to see how much time is left. Make your space. You must not only choose a time but also a spot for your practice. It doesn't have to be large or decorated, but it should be separate from home distractions. A bedroom or living room corner is ideal. You can listen to meditation music if you wish. Warm up. You might want to take a little yoga warm-up before sitting, especially if you're planning to meditate first thing in the morning. If you find it difficult to focus on your breathing for 10 minutes, start with 5 minutes. Work on those 5 minutes before extending the time. When you're ready, start increasing your sitting time by 1 minute at a time. Work your way up gradually. Find a convenient position. Have blankets or a cushion to sit on if you can sit on the floor. Try Sukhasana, or cross-legged pose. Remember that it doesn't matter what you look like when you're meditating, as long as you're comfortable, you can meditate well. Place your hands. You may have seen images of individuals meditating with their hands in various mudras. You can attempt any of the positions you've seen, just make sure to keep your hands in your lap. Another alternative is to rest your hands on your knees, palms up or down. Find a comfortable position for yourself. Pay attention to your breathing. Close your eyes and take your seat. Start observing your breath without changing it. If you find yourself wanting to deepen your breathing as soon as you realize it, resist the desire. Concentrate only on your inhales and exhales, maybe focusing on the sensation of air going in and out of your nostrils. You can count your breaths if it helps you focus on them. When thoughts enter your mind, see them drifting away before returning your attention to your breathing. When your mind begins to wander, as it certainly will, acknowledge it and then let it go. Conclude your practice. When the timer goes off, open your eyes. Take a few seconds after your practice to observe how you feel. If you're stiff after sitting, go on your hands and knees gently. A little stretch might help you relax. There are some frequent difficulties that people face when meditating. It is critical to remember that no matter how long someone has been meditating, they will face difficulty from time to time as part of the practice. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos.